I'm excited to share that Ivory Organics is going to space. Yes. My name is Charles Malke, biologist and plant expert and author of Saving the World with the Home Garden. Ivory Organics is excited to announce that it has made it to phase 2 of the Deep Space Food Challenge, which is an organization associated with NASA in helping to grow food in space. Ivory Organics prides itself on being innovative, organic, effective, and USA made. And we've started our brand with the Ivory Organic 3-in-1 Plant Guard. And we never knew that the introduction of our fertilizers would help create and bridge this relationship with my teammates, David and Adam Rowland, in now bringing a product that's going to help land us in space. David and Adam Rowland, if you can please share a little bit more about how Ivory Organics and our 6 macronutrients, which is one product that delivers plants all 6 plant macronutrients plus azomite, is going to help growers in space grow the best quality organic foods.
Well, hi, I'm David.
I'm Adam.
And we're part of Team Celestial Food Growers. And we're out in DeKalb, Illinois. And I met Charles a couple of years, well, gosh, it's been 2 or 3 years ago when you started the giveaway. And ever since, I've been watching his channel, and I've been so intrigued by his product that I started ordering it, started using the tree coat. I started buying the plant food, and that plant food just rocks. So last fall, the Methuselah Foundation and NASA put out a challenge. They want somebody to design, build, test, and implement a new way of growing in space that will then be used to grow food here on Earth in nations that don't have a lot of resources. So by doing so, we're going to not just be celestial up in the stars, but we're going to be terrestrial right here on the planet.
Yes, we hope to take this technology that we use to grow in space and incorporate it back for terrestrial growing. So people down on Earth who have low resources, a low growth space, or many other reasons that they wouldn't have access to available growing could incorporate this technology to increase their yields.
That's so awesome. And again, Ivory Organics is so excited to be part of this mission. And I'm asking for all of you to pray for celestial food growers. We're looking forward to your words of encouragement. Any other thoughts that you want to share with us? There's not much we can share about the project yet, as it's still in the developmental stage, but do watch our progress by following us here at Ivory Organics. I'm also going to be providing links to David Rowland's Facebook page, as well as Adam Rowland's Instagram page. You can also follow our successes at the Deep Space Food Challenge website, as well as on their Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter links. All of that I'm going to be providing in the video description below. And again, we're looking forward to gaining all of your support, and share us with your gardening friends and family. Thank you again, David and Adam, for all of your support, and looking forward to continuing our effort as we hopefully make it to phase 3.
I've got a little treat. We can show something, but we can't really show it. Adam, you got it? We'll let you have a sneak peek from a distance, but that's the simplicity. You know, how quick was that? You know, it's a snippet of what we're doing. And, you know, Charles, we're grateful that you were inspired to bring a product to market that really new standard for growing, because really that's what it's all about. Growing good food, healthy food, food that's good for the body, it's good for the soul, good for the mind, and it's good for the planet.
For sure. Awesome. Thank you guys again so very much. As always, be sure to give us that thumbs up and share us with your gardening friends and family. For those of you that have not yet subscribed to the Ivory Organics YouTube channel, be sure to subscribe, hit the push bell notification, and as always, keep growing with Ivory Organics, and wishing you all happy gardening.
Happy gardening.
Happy gardening, everybody. See you later. See you in space.
See you in space.